So this one also has 2 layers. So as we've seen 100 times now, we'll just deal with this at the end. This is going to help us get our final answer. But to deal with this, tangent is 5. That does not sound like a place that I memorized on the unit circle. So that's how I know I need to make a triangle for this question. My triangle either needs to be in quadrants 1 or 4, because that is the range of inverse tangent. Put it in 1 if it's positive, 4 if it's negative, and this is a positive 5, or 5/1 if you want to look at it as a fraction. So that's why he needs to go in quadrant 1. And then tangent is always opposite over adjacent. So make sure you carefully pick the opposite and the adjacent. Opposite is directly across. Adjacent is next to, that's not already the hypotenuse. And most of the time you're going to need to know the third side, which would be Pythagorean theorem. In this case 26. Square root of 26. And 26 is 2 times 13, so this does not break down at all. It stays the square root of 26. And now I want to know what's the secant of this angle. I've done everything that I can do for the inside of this. And secant is always hypotenuse over adjacent. So hypotenuse I got square root of 26. And adjacent I got 1. So we just call it a square root of 26. And that would be my final answer. That look okay?